What's up?
Not your girl's titties. Asedolweni. Yadlala. Kwawini ehlaya.
Piss off.
Hey, did I touch your nerve?
We're gonna be reacting to calling our celebrity friends and asking for a 10k loan by Skits by Sphe. So yeah.
10k loan. You could have made the question more interesting.
You can't take him out. He's different. He's not the same. You are you, but he isn't.
Hey, what's good, guys? It's your boy Internet Somanda, and today I am back again with an exciting video. I'm having it right next to me.
Primo, aka Primo 19, aka Brown to Man, aka Dange Ba.
Indoda yomzulu uLeon Gumede kwabe phakathi kwayo indoda ngiyayishaya mina ngishaya wonke umuntu no-cameraman ngishaya
Boya wonke.
ya niyazi bafethu mina ngize ngendula.
Hey yo, obviously, like I said, I'm back again with another exciting video, and today
Hey, let's pay. Hey, what? Trim. Headline. That's a guy, Anthony Anderson. Oh, I realized he was around. He was in Cape Town. Did you see that?
Yeah, he's around. He's still around.
I'm like, I want that to
Mina abangani babroke bonke mfethu angazi yabo into isho manje ighost.
So the video is called asking your friend or a friend for 10k, 10,000. Asking a friend for 10,000 and saying in your contact list, which friend can give you 10,000 right now? Oh, my boy, and you're thinking I need 10,000. So yeah, it's a prank, obviously, but you don't know that. Yo. So, Ubanjo and do 10,000 right now. A person do 10,000 right now.
I want to know best friends you.
Yeah, when I was kids, but I was okay, so this is 5,000, I'm going to 2,000.
Realistic.
Yeah,
10k you get buyer, man. Even if no muntu omcela unayo imali, 10k is a lot of money.
And it's so like
even
say
if
7.
Yeah, like
10k is
whenever you want to borrow money, don't make it a round figure.
yeah. Say
Don't make
7.
it a round figure.
Not even an even number.
Yeah.
Don't even say 8. Say 7.
Okay. With me now, so I'm gonna call a friend of mine and see if they lend me 10,000. Let me see.
No, yabona lo international.
Hey, let's play games. Ebony. It's Ebony. It's for marketing. Oh, come on, let it play.
Masimba basikhokhele kunini sinicela.
He's not in the car.
Sebuyile.
Hey, yo, Robiz, what's good?
Kanti ubani lo vele to? Okay, never mind.
It's more John. What are they saying on the UK level?
Ukhuluma njengomuntu ozoyincela vele. Try something
Small
new.
talk.
You are energetic. Like, oh, ntwana kuyaphuthuma. Like, khuluma.
Hey, the UK level boys, they cry.
Are you back yet?
Yeah, I'm in the cut.
You're in the cut. Hey, you're moving silently now. You don't even post anymore.
The way you're calling me shows that I'm back, my nigga. It doesn't matter what the call is. It's not a FaceTime.
Oh shit! You're not reachable when you're that side.
No.
I wouldn't know.
That oil phone. Not like the direct line. Remember internet that time. It's your life. So much.
Yeah. Oh, dog. Let me just cut to the chase, dog. The reason why I'm calling you. I need your help, bro.
What's up, bro?
I need your help, dog. I'm having a few financial issues.
Yeah.
I mean, as you know, like with the house and everything and buying everything. It's bad.
Bad.
Salar.
Of course.
So, bro, I need a loan, dog. Uzoyithola ngomhla it's 1 June.
Hawu. Akudabula ngempama kwenze njani? Njani manje udabula ngempama?
You're already in June.
Why next year?
Oh yeah, kahle. 365 days uyayibanga yonke.
Yo, sorry, dog. Sorry, so I blocked.
What June? What July?
July. When you coming back?
You've given him a nice excuse ukuthi akakuniki nje manje.
Welcome to
Come
voicemail.
on, Vanilla Man. Let's wait for him.
The jig is up.
Yeah. Dog, I've never asked anyone for that much money.
That's the thing.
Oh, it's calling. Sure, bro.
Good.
Yeah, dog. 1 July.
1 July.
Yeah, which I think is Friday. Huh?
How much do you need, bro?
I need 10.
Need some cake.
Yeah.
Randi.
So are you gonna be able to sort me out?
I'm saying by when?
Latest tomorrow.
Ucela imali uthi latest.
Oh, if you need it, how? I need it by tomorrow. What the hell?
Latest. Get a deadline.
How? I need it by tomorrow. What good is you telling me you can give me next week? I don't need it. Can you find it?
Latest tomorrow.
You put it on lunch.
Unika deadline.
Yeah, how?
Done next week ntwana mwasana.
No, but
Ukunika.
it's a good sign because it shows what you tried and you failed elsewhere. So now usagim ngoba sewe last minute.
Mina sengiyasho ukuthi unganginiki ungicela imali unginike deadline soxabana.
Yeah, let me talk to you.
Hmm?
Accountant.
Yeah?
Let me talk to my accountant.
Accountant.
No pressure, dog. Appreciate you, dog.
Close. Possible.
Accountant.
Niggas are moving different.
Ngaphandle kokumuva different. Okay, sharp on the accountant.
Nigga, you don't think I have an accountant?
No, just because don't distinction go metric accounting doesn't mean you're an accountant. It taking sure with the accountant. Like your phone accountant yakho nibe ne meeting or whatever for 10,000.
Yeah, she's gonna tell you that you can't afford it.
Or mhlambe ile ntombazana ujola nayo ibiza ke account. So yazi amajita sabili. Sabunkosikazi.
Easy lezo. Cha madam sihlala entombini.
Ubaba ikhadi ukunika istipend.
Ujola kabi.
Iholo lakho.
Yonkusami ngeke kwenzeke lokho.
Kungaphuka izitshe endlini akeke.
Cabanga. Uma kuthi usebenza imali iyahloka kuwe phela.
Iyahloka.
Mina sizoxabana.
Yeah. So it's possible.
Yeah.
I need it by tomorrow. Ukhuluma ne-accountant.
No pressure, but so I guess I'll call you tomorrow.
No problem.
I appreciate you, dog.
Love you, my nigga.
Love you too, dog. Wait, Robert.
Prasha.
It's a prank.
Beshe bakunika. Abo abangani abangayuzani mlahle.
Phela kanye kusawufuna ukuthi ayibuyisele. Ekubuhlungu ukubuyisela imali.
Angizenzi mina lezo zinto personally. Bangalabala kulabali. Sibambele inkunzi nje ube ready ihlwane into
That's a good idea, man. Inkunzi yazi right. I wish everyone can do it.
Yazi uyibambapi. Uyibambe parking lot yabona mhla ka 25 uhleli kahle. Clearing entrance. Memorize ukuthi kade ku ATM.
Little Robot Boy is a guy that dances, right?
Yeah.
What else does he do? Is he a musician?
Yeah, ngathi yeah, unengoma. Or my feature, that type of TikTok thing.
Okay.
Robies.
Ropey.
That's the way.
Shooting something with Primo and Leon. This
That's
TikTok
the way.
video.
Hey, Roboto. Salary.
Islam.
I'll never understand why when bands are writing.
What?
Like ubiza umuntu nge catchphrase or something like that. Like in Taishido.
Oh.
Like for instance, ubiza Ice Spice ngomanje.
Oh, okay. I don't look into that shit.
It's no, just general like abantu abayenzayo. Like I've never understood why people do.
No,
that.
I have a problem with people that say like you and I are friends, right?
Yeah.
And then we meet someone, and then I introduce you as Ndogos to that person. And then suddenly that person is calling you Makoba because I'm calling you Makoba.
Oh,
That shit is
Dodi.
fucking, that's weird. Like that's weird.
Adopt my pet name.
Or you introduce yourself to me as Umakoba, and then I come to your house and your mom is like, "Ufuna oh, I found out your mother calls you Ntokozo. And then I start calling you Ntokozo.
It's like that's the final. It's like people who call artists by their names. Like how people will be like, "Oh, Ukinen," like bitch.
Yes.
AKA, when is it ever big?
And Dudento does it a lot. Roster 5'9". Every time he talks about Eminem, they would ask him about Eminem. He's gonna say Marshall. You're like, what the fuck?
But it's kind of understandable because he knows him personally.
Yeah, but nah.
He knows him personally. I think.
Yeah, but he was a rapper when you met him. He already went by Eminem. You met him as a rapper. If someone like Proof or Bizarre, they were, if they like, okay, for them it makes sense, but for Royce, you met me as a rapper.
Islam. That's the.
Oh shit.
Ngihlala phansi kwamanzi.
Injabi lungu.
Ngigijimisa abantu ngamaphindi. Alliance betting. Dala sengicela ukuthi nisixhase senze futhi.
This looks like a cool
It
game.
looks like umuntu game le smartphone yakudala le. Come what is called American Gangster.
It's not Sims. Oh yeah, I remember American Gangster. Don't press.
Why?
Let the niggas get their paycheck.
Oh, bengazi. Ngisbless nje nathi le. Ikatile leziko nkosi yami. Kudlale nge-ad inkinga yabonike.
Nah, let's just let them. Spare, we're doing this for you. Get your paycheck. Get your money.
Ushintshe nebhaba.
I mean, what's 10 seconds, bro?
Advertise
What's
it
10
out.
seconds?
No, khuleka, but ushintshe ibhaba.
Yeah, we've just given you extra money
Akubhayizisele out today.
to negotiate better.
Ngiyathaza ukujwayela kabi. BT Motor.
Perfect response.
Oh, lento leyokuthi you don't get money if the ad abayibuki in full, it's an actual thing.
Yeah, if the people skip ads.
That's fucking you in the ass. That's what that is.
Yeah.
They fuck you in the ass. Because a product, it's not my fault. It's like that. It's like, imagine if TV worked the same.
Yeah, because sometimes.
Because think about it.
Sometimes it's like
TV
2-minute ads.
ngaphandle kwalokho,
You make more money from a 2-minute ad as opposed to a 15-second one or a 30-second one.
Probably. Because I can say YouTube is based on watch time and stuff like that. But like, mubuka kuma mainstream platforms, like TV, it's like you pay. Like by cocaine, like let's say if I advertise on CakeNet.
Yeah.
I don't know why the fuck you do that, but you find advertise on CakeNet. Yabapula futhi mali yabo abanandaba nawe. Keep 500k bo. Abanandaba ukuthi khona abantu abangapha ababukile. So this YouTube thing is actually, it's fucked up.
He even said I love you at the end of the call.
Aye.
Kodwa le amadoda enibizana ngabo I love you hayi leyo fanele niyibambele meeting angeke madoda.
Yeah. I mean, you can say it in conversation, but not.
Yeah, like I love you. They love you too. What ikuphi la?
Come on, twins. It's too much.
You're about to give me 10K. Shout out to you, dog.
Also, that means they already paid you in the UK, ne?
Showcase.
You have money, twin slam.
Got coins, salary for days.
Yeah, let's go bowling or something.
Bowling.
I'm going to call this guy back. Imagine.
Shout out to
Showcase, little busy boy.
Correct. Ngiyabonga jam.
Bafethu. Ngicela ufonele uDafaya.
Robert Boy was gonna give me the money. Shout out to Robert Boy.
Hey, I love you.
Hey,
You know, if a nigga asked me for 10K.
Do you want to go swimming with the fishes?
Okay, Bafethu, okay. Ngiyalandela mina manje for uDafaya. Showcase uphambene.
Awalenda ukufuna abantu ngama WhatsApp call. Nibadala man. Hey.
Mina ngifuna WhatsApp call.
Exactly.
Dog.
Egg fucking.
Yeah, but there's no reason why I should call someone on your phone.
Window, that's the reason.
Wish them go WhatsApp.
Unless you now.
Yeah, but why do I need to buy airtime? I'm not gonna buy airtime. Why do I need to buy airtime? Like the currency nowadays is data. Everything that you need to do with your phone uses data. Uzomvuela ama 3 minutes.
3 minutes okwenza.
Uzothenga ama minutes.
Lalela ngitshela ukuthi eyiphenga into futhi yalezi insuku entsha currency.
Kuthengisa umdidi.
Akazi ngakini ukuthi nenza kanjani but amadoda ayiziyinga. Amadoda afuna na ama WhatsApp call la.
Father leader, hamba kanjani my leader? Kumoja nje. Musedladleni.
Ayikite kubulala njenge small talk.
I hate that.
Musedladleni as opposed to what? Ufunani?
Showcase. Yazi njani? Exe, uyangizwa? Osuke bese emsindweni bese shaya lo ngane ngempama lapho. Shaya ingane ngempama isuke. All right. Sure leader please. Lalela please. Angithi uthe uyaza ngomhla 5 angithi.
4, 5, 6 and then there's a landing layo. So might come either on the 5th or on the 4th. And then bese ngihamba nge-7.
Okay dog. Lalela mfethu yazi lana mfethu ngine situation mfethu enzima kanjani njani. Mfethu manje mfethu yabo imoto mfethu isuke mfethu iyalimala mfethu carburetor yabo lo nto.
Ama carburetor.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, so manje dog.
Ikhala nawe ngeke nokuthi oh fuck.
Futhi nayo kunzima.
Angeke
nayo kunzima.
Ngisho ukuthi yakiblock ke-exhaust.
Earthquake.
Ilento zala mfethu ufuna ukuhamba ngayo mfethu khona impahla engiyishutha yabo by ulesingathi namhlanje.
Now you're making him participate.
Participate in your fallacy.
Foolishness. By Friday dog kufanele imoto besilungile so manje mfethu bengidinga mfethu ukuthi ngicela ungilona mfethu cause ngiyazi vele ukuthi gcebe highway yabo sebekhokhile nakhona dog.
No, yami babetha ngomahathi boy. Eshuta ngomahathi nawe. But you know khona ingayenzeka by tomorrow. Can't leave until tomorrow.
Okay dog. Ukuthi manje inyoka mfethu adinga bengidinga mfethu imali engango-10K ngizokunikeza mina mhla ka-1.
Jenny, the 10K. It's the guy.
Could have said 11. Say 11.
13, you could have gotten away with it.
No, say 11.
As the ikoqana kanjani ufana nochawe.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngeke uyithole lento ifunayo. Ezathi ukhala nawe. Kodwa hey uPas John.
Uzozama malini? Ngithi ungangizama ngamalini dog?
Jelile. Inani fanele libe reasonable.
Odd number. Odd. 3.
Exactly.
You should have said 11. Always say, like, say 11. I thought you were going to say 11 or you were going to say 9.
I think it's a lot.
That's the thing. Even the way that is, when you say it, the number 10.
Yeah, 10.
The number
like,
10.
Yeah, 10.
Say 11. 11 to me sounds less than 10.
Yeah, because
sounds
even
less.
in conversation, you're more likely to hear the number 10 than 11.
Yeah,
like it's not
like
common.
it sounds. Yeah, it sounds 11, 7, maybe 9. You could have you could have just said 13. Don't say 15. Skip that shit. You could have just said.
Hayi dog ngiyabonga mfethu ngoba vele ngizocaba ukuthi uzohlanganisa kakodwa mfethu ukuthi bangihlanganisele mina. Oh, okay. Hayi leader.
Hey, Georgie. Hey, Georgie. Hey, Georgie. Hey, Georgie. Just wanted to welcome you to the team with this little video. That's just how we do things here at John Analytics. I video you, and you video me back. And we do it with the script.
The script. Let's get a sponsor.
You need to capture your screen while recording yourself? The script does that. Replace your background with something more fun?
The good guy.
I prefer the cold void of our space.
Youth.
Then edit all the blabber out of your videos because my time is very precious. Use a template to get it ready for the work.
Wait.
Got it, Georgie? Well, I expect to see some really great videos from you. I wonder what Georgie does here.
Do something.
Hey, bro, you shouldn't have rejected the 10K.
Buga manje.
Buga manje sisa sokola. Sokolela wena.
Companies of
Okay,
all
we're skipping
sizes
this one.
use
Skip
BigQuery
this one.
to uncover
Whoa,
new insights from their data.
I'm wearing gloves. I can't praise.
Operational efficiencies and new ways
wearing
to
gloves.
The phone again WhatsApp call.
BigQuery is
I'm wearing
Google's
gloves.
Uzama ngegama
I
lakho.
can't
cloud
skip.
data
Uqeshiwe
warehouse at the core
basedeni.
of Google's unified
Nonsense.
data
Amadoda anabusha la.
No, but
BigQuery
okay,
saves you
wait.
time on
uzofuna-
reporting
We've
by
already
making
taken
data
time.
easily
Bona abantu
accessible
bafanele
for
bakhongela
self-service
lapha.
analytics
I'm wearing
with built-in
gloves, so I
business
can't
intelligence
skip.
tools. Get started today with the BigQuery Sandbox or get a $300 credit when
Wait,
you
it's
start a
almost
free
there.
trial.
6 seconds left. Come on. Let's let it run.
Google Cloud. Hey. Google.
I use a Huawei, so.
Sifuna imali. Kanti yini?
Ngilela dog. Fire. Cabanga mfethu ngini. Lalela. Kawini wiki. Ifaya ngino primo la cabanga no Skits. Khona ipathe esishayayo la dog. Aye. 3000 fire.
Hey wena unakekela ingane wena thokomela ngwana wo.
It's just too much. Actually, that's actually wiser.
What?
Unokuthi ucela umuntu isamba esihlanyayo. Then they're like, ucela abantu abaningi isamba esincane.
I don't know.
Like a crowd pulling.
I think with me, I don't like asking people for money. So
I don't. Njengoba ngishilo uthathe okapha awumamnkunzi.
Yeah, like rather ask someone a large sum than ask a series of people, because then unless you asking rather than asking 3 people for 3K, just ask one person for 9K. The one person that you know, okay, this guy can get 9K from them.
Ubani nomaziyo ukuthi alo ngizoyithola. Abantu.
My brother.
Okay, ke Fedi. Kodwa sengiyasho.
My mom too.
Hayi.
Oh.
Usaba nokuvula tin bread.
No.
But yeah, we are fry. Ngkweleti we are fry.
You know, I'm sorry guys, it's cool about what you heard it worse. Like I remember when I was talking to my mom about my childhood, all the stuff I didn't like about it.
Yeah.
And then just started trauma dumping. She's telling me that she lost her parents at a young age.
I hate when parents do that shit.
She grew up in. I was like, come on. So you don't want to help me?
You have a parent on your side. You're cheating.
Like, so you don't want to help me?
That's what I always say. Like, you're cheating. Andreas got cheats.
Ngiyabonga leader, ngiyabonga but lo 3K futhi ngiyabonga kakhulu dog. Cabanga uphuma kuwena futhi nami ngesurprise.
Uphume kanzima.
Correct leader boy. Yeah, showcase. Hey, who's that?
Come on, fire.
Showcase poison.
Yeah. Let us the fire.
Fire is stingy.
Three blocks.
It's something. That's a lot of money. Hey, yo, Primo, it's your turn, bro.
You know who I'm thinking of calling? Because there's a woman named Mad.
That is fucking wise. Amantombazana named Madi. Amantombazana named Madi.
Well,
Madi.
the celebrities, yeah.
Ngaphandle kwama-celeb nje amantombazana nemali. Ubuke izinto ezenziwa amantombazana. Ubuke la posta khona, la hamba khona, lezi zinto azidlayo. Amantombazana nemali.
Yeah.
They have money to fuck around.
Even guys. I think they have slightly more money. What the guys have.
No, amajita are spend reckless. Like amajita is like it's a bunch of dumb shit. Like that's
kind of why I'm saying because girls, they can go to a certain place and spend like $500 on her meal or whatever. And with guys, it's like
or you go to 3 every day, which like it amounts to a lot. But amantombazana like at a go as we spend in your fun. I end up glad.
So I think I might have to ask for 15.
We got
you all know who she is.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, call for
Hey, you want to do Big B?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
How are you?
Talk to me nice.
Chill out.
uzocela imali ngaleso sikhathi ukumnika energy uyamhype uzocela wena imali.
Chill out, dude. And I know you're on Ghana songs these days. You're trending worldwide. Ish, you're a big dog. Ish.
Ish. Put me on a song, it's going to be number 1. Look now.
Ish, you see, I like you in this mood because I even need you. Yo, I need you. I'm even calling, I need you, my friend. Yo.
What's happening? What's happening?
Oba ne-bass.
But I don't get excitement.
Okay, na drove
You
is.
know, so there's this hand, dude. Yeah, actually, things went a bit sour, and I'm a bit strapped. So, long story short, my nigga, could you spot me 15?
Kanti yanye.
Ufuna intombazana ucela imali for enye intombazana. Kwenzani?
Nginkinga zeyifebe. Usirious?
Mina uzongidakelwa mina. Ngiyiphethe esandleni tshela la ungazongidakelwa. Uyindoda enjani elona imali for intombazana?
Uthi this Han nomfazi.
Andoboli nazali kodwa sokhuluma too much.
Uzozalise nemali wathi 15k.
1,000 South African rands.
Please, dude. I know we had a chat about someone else, but yo, dude.
Wait. So, what happened?
It's a long story, dude. Now this time she doesn't want to leave my place. She's going down. Like,
yeah, Obahosha. But a coca otherwise a rape case.
Where am I tarif go besendlini? Where am I tarif?
Keep the music running.
please, dude. Like, I'll catch you. I'm going to the Durban July. I'm coming back with a.
We had Durban July. We're 50,000. You just sitting it. I was going to try like
that. Dude, please, dude.
You're gonna sell your body.
Yeah.
You're gonna sell your body, that's it.
Like, I have a couple of bags waiting for me, please, dude. Like, just spot me 15.
You are totally insane. Okay, don't mind. When are you gonna pay me back?
I can pay you back. My birthday's on the 11th, so.
When is your birthday? Say, hey, you wanna give birthday present? No.
Okay. Get over after the day, yeah.
When, nigga?
Ish.
Yabo, uyena kumuntu ofana kunika ama deadline le. Uye kumuntu ama deadline. Nini? Hayi wena latest tomorrow. Uzocela uyakhangeza uyaphakama.
No, kunothi uzombukela nini?
Into engishoyo ngithi that's the person who has the bargaining power ukuthi hey ina deadline. Hayi wena uyakhangeza kodwa uyaphakama. Ukudabula ngebaba mina ngeke ukhona.
Give me end of the month.
Okay, you better get your paper right. Stop doing shady things also you.
Listen, hold on.
Big singing your drums,
Alliance, I love this game.
Hey,
me and your girl, touching each other.
Buga manje sivira ingulaza. Me and your girl, sikhotha ingono. Buga manje sekumnandi eMzantsi Afrika. Hey, leather jacket yiminsiza ngagini. Ngeke ushela utoti wena wisifebe esincinci. Hey.
You spitting.
Spontaneous mina man.
That's it. What is it? Watch all your ads. We are tired.
We report on the website here.
Your time is crooked. Ebony.com. Y'all niggas.
Give me a king.
What's the purpose of this game? I'm trying to understand.
Hold on. You passed the test. This was our prank. You passed the test. 15. Yo.
I told you I've got rich friends.
Sure, man.
I'm here with Skits and Leon Kumete. We're in Durban right now. We're filming something.
Oh my God.
You passed the test. Yo. Listen, even in the beginning there, I had to strap you down quickly. I saw where you were going. I had to say, hold on. Listen, you are a real one.
Hey, machozi. Kazi utshwala nobani. Uphizana ngo 15k kanjani? Hey. Ngabadedeli majongo.
You are a real one. Big shout out. I'm gonna call you later.
For what?
Usafuna imali.
Ufuna serious manje.
Yamampela le.
Ufuna ngempela.
Yamampela le.
Ufuna ngempela. Letha.
Right.
Okay, bafethu ngipilo mina ukuthi abangani
Cabanga wena nge-3,000.
Yamza.
He's evaluating his friend like athi mina nginabangani abanjani.
Yamza.
Noma mnikile u10 wakhe or whether they jewed you down omunye bathi hayi sokaya 15.
Nah, but
bami
if you don't have rich friends like that, eh?
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah, that pocket doesn't laugh the same, eh? It doesn't laugh the same.
babro wena uthola u10 uthola u15 mina ngathola u3 so bafethu
I don't say food. Okay,
But what if you guys ask Machi?
yeah bafuna soka abantu
What do you think of that? Ungayicela intombazane manje?
Ntombazane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it depends. If
Like Anjoli.
ask Jody,
Yeah.
I would. It would be hard for me to ask a girl that I'm dating.
Man ngicela.
If it was Julie, then fine.
Ngamane
I'll do
ngithola
it.
naye. Cabanga wena uzongijutha ukukhumbulile. Ufuna ukuphefuzela phezulu kwami kodwa ufuna ukunginika 10k angijwayele. Oh, that's where you draw the line, huh?
No, but if
You wanna
it's,
smell my sweat?
no, but if it's a friend, thing is, what I understand is, if a girl likes you for you being a person,
Yeah.
like I'm not gonna lie, like because
Yeah.
they like you because you guys are in a good
Relationship
or whatever. You guys are in the same mood. I'm not like umuntu who doesn't benefit anything from you.
Yeah.
Like they genuinely like you. So that's why I'm saying, man, even you see even how girls talk about their ex. Loyal. It's like he made you suck his dick. Like
you have nothing to stand on.
That's what I'm saying. With you, rather a friend, because a friend a friend likes you for you.
And I just thought of Uchi, Uganda. Why not best person never been in jail? It's from keeping on that head.
No, it's the masculine energy that you have.
Super head.
Jafaya panami asambe sophuza lo 3,000 kaya
Ngafonela manje. For part 2. Yo guys, thank you.
Anyway, yeah, this was interesting.
Yeah.
Shout out to Shoma Josie.
Well, not her. Robot. Yes, shout out to her, but it's not the same as Robot Boy because she actually has it. She actually has it.
Okay.
Not the nigga way to consult an accountant.
Mina I got to understand the accountant. If you're a person who has an accountant, you should have 10k boy.
I think it's the manager in a way. Maybe it's the business manager.
Your manager and your accountant can't be the same person. You're gonna get fucked. Who can sign off everything?
Yeah, but even managers.
Oh, fuck you in the ass. You can sign for everything. You can sign for your money, your bookings.
Yeah, but even
everything must be separate. You can't have someone who manages you and your finances. Yay! That motherfucker will be like, we'll be sitting in the back there, ambitious entertainment. We'll be really ukuthengela ubhodlela eklabhini. Uzothenga ibands.
Uthi uScuba. Oh, diphuza ke.
Phuza la.
Ukhuluma ama-royals. Okay, phuza ke.
Bathengela amabhodlela emaklabhini kodwa uthenga ama-bands. Qaphela. Kind of one person who's doing everything.
That was calling our celebrity friends and asking for a 10k loan.
Yeah, anyway.
Skits by Sphe.
Suggest in the comment section anything on Funansi, react to Guyo. What else? Comment and tell me how handsome I am, cause fuck. Hey, and I'm gonna peek it that I am. I'm gonna peek it on peek. Anyway, Like our subscribe. Subscribe, like, share with a friend. Come back kusasa and tomorrow. Yeah, all of the good stuff. Let's talk my socials and follow everything in the bio. Ngiyabanda. Babo muza ngaleso sikhathi. Uzipayela le.
Kwamla.
Udelela unkosikazi nje uthi uyinhloko yomuzi. Uzoze uchildish.
Kwamla.
Yewena. Tafla ngempala.
Adlale le video.
Athi nangoba umuntu ongifuna inhlonipho.
Exhibit A.
Divorce proceedings. This is what I had to put up with.
This is why I was doing on a Saturday. At this friend's house. You know, I'm at labor.
Yeah, sharp.